Welcome back. We're at Wild Motorsport, where I just got surprised with this AER endurance race car. Yeah, this looks like a good time. So let's go take it out around some back roads. Not going to do anything too crazy, although technically I think, well, I guess by the book it's street legal. Technically there's just no way. This is absurd, and I'm on Hoosiers, so I don't really want to be pulled over by the state police on the highway. But at the very least, we can go ring it through a few gears and just play with it and see what the brakes feel like, because that's what race cars are all about. We put a packing blanket and some pillows in for me. Everyone on the team is very tall, so I'm not the guy who's supposed to be driving this. I think it's this way. Yep.
Yeah, you're gonna be having a belt on just for
nice and
show, really.
Nice and tight.
Yeah, and then I got some shoulders here for you, and the shoulder under the wires.
I'll do this when I get out there so I can back up.
Okay.
And then,
window net up.
all right.
There's a reverse lockout on the shifter.
Got it. Right. These gauges work?
Yeah, but you won't get enough heat into them.
Okay.
There's an e-brake that's on.
Got it. Yeah, nice and low.
Proper race clutch.
Jesus.
Lastly, there's a metal bulkhead in the back that pops as you drive over bumps. You'll hear it. Don't worry about any noises, though.
Okay.
Enjoy.
All right.
Have fun.
Oh my God. Brakes are insane. Wow. Oh my God. Much want. We're on Hoosiers out here, baby. I need a race car. And we're going past a prison, and I'd like to not live there, so I'll be a little gentle. And these brakes are just outrageous. I've never felt anything like that. It makes no sense to drive this car at low revs. If I actually drove it the way I wanted to drive it here, I would get arrested so fast. What's immediately apparent is that it's not a huge power car. There's not a lot of power, but it's so light that it makes so much sense with the power that it has. And it's not an S54 because it doesn't rev all the way out. Do I have fuel? Yes, good. Don't worry about that coolant thing, that's okay. The steering is just so direct that it's scary. Oh, I want to drive this on a track so bad. It's so easy to drive though. And this thing, it's just a hero. I never want to stop driving it, but they have to take this out to VIR. I don't want to be responsible for doing any damage to the race car. Wow. What a thing. Is anyone coming after me? This can't be legal. Gotta feel it again. Oh my God. Okay, I need to go back to the racetrack. This is the greatest. I need a race car, boys. And girl, there's probably one of you. It's not an offensive thing, it's just I've seen my demographics. Female audience is pretty low. Comment if you are female. Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Holy crap. Don't forget to respect the drive. And I will see you in the next one. Woo! This is my favorite thing of ever. Must have. Wow, Motorsport, you guys are absolute savages. Oh my God. So happy. Oh. I did it. It's not dead. If you ever forgot why you like cars, just drive a race car. You will remember very quickly. I need this. Ah! So WRL, you got to take out the aux tank. AER, you can run both. When you're doing a fuel stop, you just pop these. Now you got the vents across, so primary, secondary, 15 gallons, 9 gallons. Jeez. And the suspension are PSS9s? PSS9s, a mix of PSS10s and PSS9s. E46 M3, calipers, rotors, rear trailing arms. E46 M3, steering column, steering shaft, ABS. It's got the Mark 60 with a CSL tune. It's got ZHP Steering Rack, 5-speed from an E36. The only original parts from the car are the shell and the rear bumper and the side skirts. Most of the stuff is either E46 or M3.